On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to install a brand new water heater latch in case yours is broken. Stay tuned, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing a new water heater latch. Mine has broke, so let's get this open here. Just picked this up at my local RV supplier. Set that down here. So what you get is a cam lock style. So you have your thumb toggle, a spring, and then the actual device. So what you want to do is take the spring, pull it back. This can get a little difficult. And then you want to pull your thumb piece off. And you want to slide it down towards the base. I'll show you here. It was a little difficult, but that skinnier spot's where you're going to be able to get your thumb toggle off. So now we're going to take this right up here. Let me get you closer here. Sorry, it might be a little shaky. I'll bring you right up in here like this. Hear my dog whining in the background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this from the back. I'm going to push this through. I might have to make this hole a little bigger here because it's not fitting through. So what I'm going to do, give me a second, I'm going to grab a drill bit. We'll push that right through there because, well, she don't fit in there. Alright everybody, so I got my drill bit set here. You see what size you want to go with. We don't want a lot, so we'll just take a little bit off. So all I'm going to do is just ream this out here. Just like that. That was a 5/16 bit. So all I'm going to do now is test fit my spring lock here. And that's going to fit in there. Yep. That'll be nice. So, like I was saying, we're going to bring this through the back, push it through, and then right here where that little skinny part is, we're going to put our lock on and release. And just like that, we have fixed the door latch on the water heater. All you have to do is pull and latch, just like that. Ta-da! It's not going anywhere. All right, there you go, guys. So that's how I replaced my water heater latch with a brand new metal thumb tab. Cam lock is what they call them. If you have any questions about this repair or any other repairs, any questions on DIY or any other projects, shoot me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to help you out with your project. And again, thanks for watching.